If we talk about planning, so planning requires multi-step reasoning, task decomposition, long horizon thinking, and evaluating alternatives. So planning is like a very complex task wherein multi-step reasoning is involved, task decomposition is involved, long horizon thinking, and evaluating alternatives. So for planning, we should consider larger models. So larger models often perform better for planning. So planning quality, the quality of planning is very important. So planning quality, it determines the reliability of the agentic AI system, the efficiency, and the error recovery. This is often where stronger models are justified. So planning is something which is very crucial for an agentic AI application, because planning, the quality of the planning, it will determine the reliability of the agentic AI system which you will be designing, the efficiency of the agentic AI system, and the error recovery of the agentic AI system. So planning requires multi-step reasoning, task decomposition, long horizon thinking, evaluating alternatives. So for planning, we have to consider larger models. For tool calling, we can consider mid-tier models, but for planning, we need larger models.